it's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up.
Concept Duet is an exploration in maximizing productivity. It's a dual screen device that opens up the possibilities as far as being able to use two screens, especially in a mobile environment. For the Duet, we created a unique keyboard that can be placed on top of glass. You're able to do things like run an application on the primary display, as well as have smaller widgets in the exposed space above the keyboard. Never before has there been a technology that has been so disruptive in computing. I don't think there's any going back once you have exposed a user to the dual screen experience.
What if you had a desk that worked for you? It knows you, and it's ready to work just the way you like. It knows when you've been sitting too long and tells you to stand up. It keeps you synced with your team and sharpens your mind to help ideas flow best. It anticipates when you're hungry and places an order of something you'll love. It encourages movement to help you focus throughout the day and even finds you the time to relax. It stays in harmony with your body to keep you healthy and fit. And at the end of the day, it's got the fastest way to get you home. Now, what if I told you that this isn't the office of the future, but the office of your new everyday? Say hello to the AI-powered Smart Desk 3. Say hello to a workspace that works for you. Welcome to your new smart office by Autonomous.
From the company that reinvented the whiteboard comes a powerful new display. Now, everyone can contribute to a meeting, from anywhere, on any device. Introducing SmartCap IQ, the display reimagined. Getting started is simple. Just pair your phone, invite your colleagues, and start working. Multi-way inking means that team members can actively engage in the conversation no matter where they are. All you need is a pen or your finger. Taking an idea elsewhere is simple too. Capture, save, and share your work with ease. And pick up where you left off, whenever you like. Cap IQ wasn't just designed to be a whiteboard either. It's also a stunning Ultra HD display with Smart's patented touch and digital ink technology. Which means you don't just have a front-of-room display. Now you have a simple, yet powerful collaboration tool. The kind that keeps your team on the same page, no matter where they are, how they work, or how fast they're moving. SmartCap IQ, the display for the connected world.